All right, I want to thank y'all for seeing the video today. Today's video will get right into it. One of the best $100 upgrades you're going to do to your RV, right? It's in the air conditioner, okay? Every AC that I've ever looked at, tore apart on these air conditioners, the ducts are collapsed, and they do a really crappy job of taping it up. You generally have the hot and cold air mixing in the unit. And, you know, guys, for the price of this, I'm going to put a link on the video right here. We're going to get right into it, okay? You're going to quiet that air conditioner down, and you're going to increase its cooling by about 40%. I've tested this product, already installed it, so I'm going to have to kind of pull the cover off to kind of show you how the install goes. But this is something that you can do yourself. It's a very easy install. It's not difficult at all. It basically clips in, and it comes with full tape. You do that, you know, the only thing you really got to have to put it in, screw gun, Phillips screwdriver, pretty simple. Again, going to post a link for it. It's Kool Rv AC. That's with a K. And these things are just great. It takes the cold air from the air conditioner, and it's got two deals that go in those collapsed joints, inserts, that actually open them up, get your airflow up. And I've had them in here. They work great. This camper, I've got two 15s on the top of this camper. It's a big toy hauler. God, it stays 70, 71 all the time, and the compressor cycle out, even outside when it's up 99 to 100 degrees. So $100 for one unit, that's definitely not bad. But let me go ahead, I'm gonna show you. And the other thing is just being under this unit right now, you can barely hear it running. Okay, before, lots of noise, right? You have to turn TV all the way up to here in here. It's very quiet. So it quiets it down, 40% better cooling. Here's the link, go order you one. You will not regret it. I test these things before I put them on my videos on my channel, because y'all know how I am, and absolutely love the install on these just because they're so simple to put in. So let me get the cover off real quick and just show you how to do the install. All right, so one of the first things you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this plastic cover off for your filters, right? And then just squeeze those, pull the filters out. I'm gonna do that on both sides real quick. Get this other one off, same thing. Sorry, I'm trying to video and do this at the same time. All right, so you can see it up in there. Let me go ahead and get this off. You've got 4 screws right here, and then this cover will come down, and I'll show you how to do the install. Okay, so I got the cover off. It's 4 screws, got it down. You can see it up there. We'll get up there and take a look at the unit in just a sec. I have this at the house. They do send full tape with it. Their full tape's fine. I get this from Home Depot or Lowe's. It's just 3M standard refrigeration tape. Anyway, but let's get up here, let's take a look at it. This is where you want to take your time and do a good install. I mean, you really probably don't even have to tape it up here, but if I'm here and I'm doing it, I want to seal it off. I want to make sure all the cold air is going from the discharge of here into my ductwork in my camper, right? These are inserts that actually open these ducts up. You're going to find most of them are half collapsed, and that's where your restrictive airflow is. So you put these in there, they slide in, and then just seal all the way around it the best you can. This snaps in. You probably don't even have to tape this, but I did. And then again, same thing here. Do that, seal it off, and all you need to do is put that grill back on, and that's how it works. Basically a 40% increase in cooling efficiency just by having the ductwork here, having this separated, and getting better CFM out of your vents. So if the video helped you, please hit like and subscribe, and I'm posting the link again here. If you want to go get one, best $100 upgrade you're going to do to your RV, especially if you're in the southern part of the U.S. where it's hot, triple digits. I can pull this camper out. It's 90 degrees. I can pull it out in the sun and turn these airs on, and within 20 minutes I'm 76, 74 degrees. So definitely would not do that before. So anyway, if the video helped you, please hit that like, please subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.